subject grammar, English grammar, Grammarland book. And today's topic is chapter 5 pronoun, page number 3030. Okay, so kids, open the page number 30 on Grammarland book. So kids, this is a pronouns. Pronouns means a pronoun is a word we use in place of a noun. So kids, it is clear that when noun is repeat, then we have to use pronoun. One time we have to use pronoun. So which one it is pronoun? I, it, you, they, we, she, he. These words are called pronoun. These words are called pronouns. So kids, some examples are there. So kids, let's start. Maya goes to my school. Maya is in class first D. So kids, we have to see here. Maya in first time we have to use, and Maya in second time we have to use. So when second time Maya is come, so we have to change this and what we use? Yeah, she. So this sentence is wrong. So first is Maya goes to my school is correct. But when it is come next time, we have to use she. Maya is a girl. That's why we have to use she. She is in class first D. Okay. So the sentence is Maya goes to my school. She is in class first D. Okay. Next is we use the word she in place of the word Maya. Next is Rehan is my friend. Rehan is in my class. This is wrong because two times we have to take a noun. So kids, we have to change this and what we write? Rehan is my friend. Second, we have to use he. In the place of Rehan, we have to use he. Rehan is a boy. That's why we have to use he. He is in my class. Okay. Next is this is a pineapple. The pineapple is a very sweet fruit. So kids, you have to see here pineapples are come two times. So we have to change it and what we write? This is a pineapple and pineapple is a fruit. That's why we have to use it. What we use? it. Because it is not a girl, not a boy. So we have to use here it. When things are coming, we have to use it. Things क्या क्या हमें कोई भी things हो, चाहे वो animal हो, plants हो, flowers हो, fruit हो, vegetables हो, क्या क्या हमें it का use करना है. It is very sweet fruit. Okay kids. So I think you have to clear this concept where we use I, it, you, they, we, she, he. So kids, let's start the exercise of the chapter. Some notes are there. So kids, if we use a pronoun, we don't have to repeat the noun or use it again and again. First time I told you that when Rehan is come one time, so we can't repeat his Rehan again. So what we do? First, a boy or a man use he. A girl or a woman use she. A thing, a place or an animal, there we have to use it. Okay? So kids, we sometimes use he or she for an animal also. Okay? So kids, always you have to remind a boy or a man when one time we have to use the name of boy or a man. Second time we have to use pronoun he. Second, a girl or a woman, we have to don't repeat this her name again. We have to use she. A thing or place or animal, we have to use it. Okay kids, now we will do exercise. Let's start. start the exercise. Exercise number 8. Circle the correct pronouns in these sentences. So kids, here are some sentences are some pronouns are there. We have to choose the correct pronoun and complete the sentence. Okay kids. So first is Chennai is a city. Chennai is the place, name of the place, and what it will become, it or she is very hot in summer. So Chennai is a place name, it is not mentioned, it is, we have to not clear it is he or she, it is only a place. Okay, so then we have to use it. Okay, Chennai एक जगह का नाम है, ये कोई गर्ल या बॉय नहीं है, that's why we have to use it. ये जगह है, place है. So the answer is Chennai is a city. It is very hot in summer. Okay. Next is Seema like to swim. Swims very day. She or it swims every day. So you have to clear this. Seema is a girl's name, and when girl's name is come, what we use in pronoun? Yeah, she. So kids, circle the she. Seema like to swim. She swims every day. Okay. Next is number 3. Raj has a new cycle. Okay. It or he rides it to school. What it will become in pronoun? Raj is a boy, so that's why we have to use he. So circle the he. So kids, the sentence is Raj has a new cycle. He rides it to school. Okay. So kids, this exercise will be done. Now we will do another exercise. So kids, next exercise is exercise number B. Complete these sentences with the pronoun in the box. Okay. So kids, here you have to see 3 pronouns are there. He, she, it. We have to use there in the blanks. First is the butterfly is an insect. So butterfly is an insect. Dash has very pretty wings. So kids, butterfly is an insect. That's why we have to use it. What we use? Yes, it. Okay. So the sentence is the butterfly is an insect. It has very pretty wings. Okay. So next is number 2. Rohini is in school, has a test today. So Rohini is a girl. So what we will use in pronoun? Yes, we will use she. S-H-E, she. Next, number 3. Mr. Roy stops the car, dash get out of it. So Mr. Roy is the boy. So kids, we have to use he. Boy or man, we have to use he. So right here, he get out of it. Okay. Next, number 4. This is my cat. Tubby is brown in color. So Tubby is a cat. It is an animal. So kids, we have to use it. Okay. In the place of animal, we have to use it. In the place of insect, we have to use it. After that, we have to use Rohini or Roy. Rohini is a girl, that's why we have to use she. And Mr. Roy is a man, that's why we have to use he. So kids, this exercise is done. Now we will do another exercise. We have to use our new exercise. We have to explain this. Look at these sentences. You have to see these sentences. First, I am Suresh. You have to see it. You have to use pronoun first, I. Because Suresh is talking about himself. Okay? Suresh अपने बारे में बताना चाहता है. That's why first it will become pronoun I am Suresh. मैं सुरेश हूँ. I want to play in the garden. मैं garden में खेलना चाहता हूँ. We use I to refer to the person speaking the sentences. जब person अपने बारे में बताना चाहता है तब हम लोग I का यूज करते हैं. Next is how old are you, Ravi? Can you please help me, Abbas? We use the word you in place of the name of the person we are speaking to. Here you have to see, before the name use of the person's name, we have to use you. You, a pronoun, we have to use first because we have to speak a person. हम person के बारे में बात करना चाहते हैं. That's why we have to use first you. किसी person के बारे में जब बात करना चाहते हैं तो हम उससे पहले you का use करते हैं. You are a boy. Where are you go? Here we have to use you. Okay, kids. Now we will start the exercise. Our next exercise is exercise number C. Complete these sentences with the pronoun in the box. We have to see some pronouns are there. You, I, it, he, she. So kids, we have to fill here and complete the sentences. First, Arun is a good boy. Arun is a boy. Now, what we use in a second time we have to use in the pronoun. Share his topics and complete the sentences. What we use here? Arun is a boy. So what we use here? He. Okay. So write here he. Arun is a good boy. He shares his toffees. Next, number 2. Hina is my sister. Hina is a girl. And what we will use here? Next sentence when we make it here, what we use here? She. So write here she. Okay. She is in class 4. Okay. Now my friend has a kite is yellow in color. You have to see here, friend has a kite. Friend के पास kite है और is yellow in color. क्या yellow color का है? Yes, kite. Kite yellow color का है. Kite is a thing. So kids, what we will use here? Thing के लिए हम लोग use करेंगे it. Okay. Next, the teacher says to Abdul. Teacher ने अब्दुल से कहा, Are a good boy, Abdul. So हम अगर किसी से बात कर रहे हैं तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? You. Okay, you का यूज करेंगे. You are a good boy, Abdul. So the teacher says to Abdul, You are a good boy, Abdul. Okay. So here we have to use you. Next, number 5. I am hungry. मैं भूखा हूँ या भूखी हूँ. तो यहाँ पे मैं आया है तो can have an ice cream. तो I am hungry के लिए और second time क्या आएगा? I ही आएगा. I have an ice cream. मैं क्या आइसक्रीम लूँ तो I का यूज किया गया है. So kids, this exercise will be done. Now we will do another exercise. Next exercise is this is how we use pronoun in sentences. So kids, where we have to use pronoun? First, we use the word am. We use the word am with I. I के साथ हमें हमेशा am का यूज करना है. Number 2, we use is with the word. What we use is. Is का यूज हमें कहाँ करना है? With the word it, he and she. It, he and she के साथ हमेशा हमें इसका यूज करना है. After that, number 3, we use are. We use are with the word you. हमें you के साथ are का यूज करना है. you के साथ भी are हमेशा आता है. you के साथ दूसरा कोई pronoun नहीं आता है. Only are का यूज किया जाता है. Next, number D. Complete these sentences using the word given in the bracket. This is the exercise of this chapter. So first is this is Mumbai. It a big city. So what we use is or am? Yes, here is a it and here we have to say it के साथ क्या आएगा? Is. So is will become. So write here is. Okay. Next, number 2, you. And you के साथ हमेशा क्या आएगा? Are. Yes. So kids, you are. You are. You have to write here. You are a very polite child. Number 3, I. So kids, I के साथ हमेशा क्या आएगा? am. So here we have to write here am. A-M-M. I am hungry. Okay. Number 4, this is Rahul. He के साथ क्या आएगा? he is. Okay, he is. He is Rahul. This is Rahul. He is a good student. Okay, so kids हमने देखा कि it के साथ is, you के साथ are, I के साथ am और he के साथ is का यूज किया जाता है. So kids, this exercise is done. Now we will do another exercise. So kids, this last exercise of this chapter. So kids, let's start. Exercise number F, page number 34. Read this passage. Replace the word in bold with the correct pronouns. So kids, here some words are in a bold writing. Means बहुत मोटे अक्षरों में जो आपके पेजेस में लिखे हुए हैं, आपने देखा होगा कुछ डार्क कलर्स में लिखे हुए हैं. तो बोल्ड विथ द करेक्ट प्रोनाउंस, यहाँ पे हमें करेक्ट प्रोनाउंस का यूज करना है. सो किड्स, लेट्स स्टार्ट. वी हैव टू रीड द पैराग्राफ. फर्स्ट, जेम्स इज वेरी हंग्री. जेम्स बहुत भूखा है. जेम्स गोज टू द किचन. जेम्स किचन में गया. सो किड्स, हियर टू टाइम जेम्स will come. सो किड्स, वी हैव टू चेंज हियर. जेम्स को हम यहाँ पे चेंज करेंगे प्रोनाउन से. तो व्हाट विल बिकम? एच ई ही. सो सेंटेंस इज जेम्स इज वेरी हंग्री. ही गोज टू द किचन. ओके, नेक्स्ट लाइन में क्या है? इन द किचन जेम्स सीज अ कॉकरोच. यहाँ पर भी जेम्स फिर से रिपीट हुआ है. तो यहाँ पे हम चेंज करेंगे और यहाँ पे भी हम यूज करेंगे ही. He sees a cockroach. वहाँ पे उसने कॉकरोच देखे. The cockroach. यहाँ पे हमने पहले भी कॉकरोच सुन लिया, तो यहाँ पे the cockroach की जगह क्या आएगा? It. it. क्योंकि ये एक इंसेक्ट है, तो इंसेक्ट में हम लोग it का यूज करेंगे. it is on the window sill. जेम्स फिर से रिपीट हुआ है, तो यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे he runs out in fight. जेम्स को फिर चेंज करना है हमें और यहाँ पे ही लिखना है. ही सीज किरण. उसने किरण को देखा. किरण इज नॉट एफ्रेड. ही इज नॉट एफ्रेड ऑफ कॉकरोच. उसको कॉकरोच से डर नहीं लगा. यहाँ पे लास्ट में है पौधा कॉकरोच. यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे इट गोज आउट ऑफ द विंडो. वो विंडो से बाहर चले गए. तो यहाँ पे हमने जेम्स को चेंज करके प्रोनाउन का ही यूज किया है, क्योंकि जेम्स एक बॉय है. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू यूज ही. एवरी टाइम व्हेन इट विल कम सेकंड और थर्ड टाइम, तो उसको हमने ही में चेंज कर दिया है. नेक्स्ट, द कॉकरोच इज इंसेक्ट. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू यूज it. जितने बार कॉकरोच का यूज हुआ है उसको हमने it में चेंज किया है. इधर किरण भी एक बॉय है. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू यूज he. So kids, this exercise will be done. I hope you have cleared this concept. If you have any doubt, any query, will be asked me on online session. Till then, bye all of you and take care.